So now let us start exercise 8.1 of chapter 8 quadrilaterals class 9th. So the chapter is very easy. Just try to understand this chapter carefully, right? Just try to understand this chapter carefully. So question number first. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. So whenever ratios are given to you, just assume the angles to be in terms of x. So let the angles be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x respectively, right? So 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x. So sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360 डिग्री. हमने डिराइव किया था पहले वाले वीडियो में, सबसे पहली वीडियो में. So 3 plus 8 is 8, 8 and 9 17, 17 and 30x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 upon 30, which is 12. So if x is 12, 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by 12, 36 degree. 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 12, 60 degree. 9x is equal to 9 multiplied by 12, 108 degree. And 13x is equal to 13 multiplied by 12, 6 and 2, 13 multiplied by 13, 156 degree. So these are the possible answers. This is our answer. These are the answers of all the angles which we have to determine. Next, second question: if the diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Very easy question. Just try to go through the concepts. Given ABCD is a parallelogram where AC is equal to BD. Diagonal of a parallelogram are equal, right? So suppose if this is a parallelogram in which diagonals are equal, just don't go with the diagram. Just to make you understand a parallelogram, I have drawn this figure in this way where AC is equal to BD. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. So in order to prove ABCD to be a rectangle, we have to show that angle A, all the four angles is equal to 90 degree each, right? Because a rectangle is a parallelogram in which all four angles equal to 90 degree. So proof. Now let us consider two triangles in this. So in triangle DAB and triangle CBA, triangle DAB and triangle CBA, we know that AD is equal to BC, opposite side of parallelogram. We know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So this side will be equal to this side. Similarly, AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to AB, which is common. Also we know that BD is equal to AC, it is given. So BD is equal to AC, given. So by SSS we can say, by side triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. So by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So by CPCT, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, right? So angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This implies angle A is equal to angle B. तो क्या आ गया? एंगल ए एंगल बी के इक्वल आ गया. अब हमको पता है कि एंगल ए ऑल्सो एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी. opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. भाई ये वाला एंगल इसके इक्वल आ गया और ये वाला एंगल इसके भी इक्वल है और ये वाला एंगल इसके इक्वल है. इसका मतलब चारों एंगल्स इक्वल है. angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. So sum of all four angles is 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property. So सबकी वैल्यू इक्वल है, so let this be equal to small a. So A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 360. So 4A is equal to 360. So A is equal to 90 degree. So A की वैल्यू 90 आ गई, इसका मतलब एंगल A प्लस एंगल A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. Hence proved. यही हमको प्रूव करना है. Just pause the video and understand the logic. What we have done. We have made these two triangles congruent, right? So with this we got this angle is equal to this angle, and opposite angles are equal, so this will be equal to this one and this will be equal to this one. So that means all four angles are equal. So it is a rectangle. Pause the video and write down. Now this is question number 3rd. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, right? In which diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals bisect means this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side. Each other at right angles. So if diagonals bisect each other at right angles, so all the four angles will be equal to 90 degree, right? So we have to show that ABCD is a rhombus. Now for making ABCD to be a rhombus, firstly we have to show that ABCD is a parallelogram. Secondly, all the four sides should be equal. Thirdly, 90 degrees given, so all the four sides should be equal. This we have to show, right? So now ABCD is a rhombus. This we have to show, and this is a quadrilateral is given. Now let's start. So let's start it from in triangle AOD and triangle COB. What do we have? We know that AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO. This is given. Thirdly, angle AOD is equal to angle COB, vertically opposite angle, or we can say it is equal to 90 degree also. It is given because the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So this is also given. So by side angle side, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. So by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we can say angle OAD is equal to angle OCB and angle ODA is equal to angle OBC. मतलब CPCT से क्या आया हमारे पास, OAD ये वाला एंगल इसके इक्वल आ गया और ये वाला एंगल इसके इक्वल आ गया, राइट? ऑल्सो दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड, वही CPCT से. सो साइड AD इज इक्वल टू BC, सेम बाय CPCT, राइट? तो अगर हम इन दोनों को देखें, इन दोनों से अगर दो एंगल्स इक्वल है ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर, सो दिस इंप्लाइज AD अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होगी, AD पैरेलल टू BC. अब AD BC के पैरेलल है इन दोनों से और AD इज इक्वल टू BC. रीजन क्या होगा? ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर इक्वल. तो जब ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स इक्वल है तो AD पैरेलल है BC के, AD इक्वल है BC के. तो अगर अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल और पैरेलल होती तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. सो ये हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट तो हो गया. सेकेंडली अब हम पैरेललोग्राम को रोम्बस बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? चारों साइड्स को इक्वल प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. सो इन ऑर्डर टू मेक ऑल फोर साइड्स इक्वल, जस्ट टेक टू कोरस्पॉन्डिंग ट्राइंगल, टू ऑल्टरनेट ट्राइंगल्स. सो इन ट्राइंगल AOD एंड ट्राइंगल COD, right? So we can say that AO is equal to CO given angle AOD is equal to angle COD is equal to 90 degree, right? This is also given, and DO is equal to DO common. So again by SAS, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. So by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say AD is equal to CD. So AD किसके इक्वल आ गया? CD के. So AD BC के इक्वल है, AD CD के इक्वल है. तो अगर हम कंपेयर करें, so also similarly we can say BC is equal to AB. वैसे ही इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर दे तो BC AB के इक्वल आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन थर्ड. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन, इसको नहीं भी करो तो भी, क्योंकि हम एक बार पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव कर चुके हैं इसको ऊपर वाले को, तो नहीं भी करो तो भी हो जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 we can say AD is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AB. AD BC के इक्वल है और AD CD के इक्वल है. CD AB के इक्वल है तो चारों साइड्स इक्वल हो गई. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज, लेट दिस बी थर्ड एंड दिस बी फोर्थ. सो फ्रॉम थर्ड एंड फोर्थ वी कैन से ABCD इज अ रोम्बस. किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल को रोम्बस बनाने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, क्या क्या जरूरी है? एक तो वो पूरा पैरेललोग्राम होना चाहिए क्वाड्रिलेटरल, दूसरा चारों साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए, थर्ड डायगोनल्स राइट एंगल पे बाइसेक्ट करनी चाहिए. तीनों कंडीशन हमारी सेटिस्फाई है तो हम कह सकते हैं ABCD इज अ रोम्बस. पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, in this question it is given that ABCD is a square, right? So we have to show that the diagonals of a square are equal, first part. Second part, and bisect each other at right angle. So bisect each other means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. This we have to show. And at right angle means angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. So these three parts we have to show in a single question of one statement. So just read the question carefully before attempting it. So let's start with proof. Now we know that ABCD is a square. So let's, in triangle DAB and triangle CBA, अगर हम ये दोनों triangles को consider करें, so AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides of square are equal, and AB is equal to AB common. Also angle DAB is equal to angle CBA is equal to 90 degree. Angles of square is equal to 90 degree. So by side angle side, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA. So by CPCT we can say BD is equal to AC, or we can say BD is equal to AC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, BD is equal to AC. First part proved. So hence prove. This is part first, right? Now let's move on to second part. For second part we have to show that diagonals bisect each other. So in triangle AOD and triangle BOC, right? So in triangle AOD and triangle BOC we know that this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. So angle ODA is equal to angle OCB. ODA is equal to OBC. Change the name, this will be COB. AOD and COB. So OBC alternate interior angle. Also we know that ODA is equal to OBC. Similarly angle OAD is equal to angle OCB. Same reason, alternate interior angle. And AD is equal to BC, opposite sides. So by angle side angle, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. So by angle side angle, both the triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to, and DO is equal to BO. This is part second we have proved. Part second, hence proved. Now third part is all the four angles are equal to 90 degree, right? So all four angles to be equal to 90 degree, center one. So let's take another two triangles in triangle AOD and triangle COD. We know that AO is equal to CO. This is equation second. This is equation first from second, right? And DO is equal to DO, common. Also we know that AD is equal to CD, sides of a square. So by SSS, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. So AOD is congruent to triangle COD. ये दोनों triangles congruent हो गए. So by CPCT, angle AOD is equal to angle COD, right? AOD COD के equal आ गया, ये दोनों angles equal आ गए, right? So AOD is equal to COD. So let it be X. Now we know that angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. एक straight line पे बन रहे दोनों angles, तो दोनों का sum कितना होगा 180 degree. So AOD is X plus X is equal to 180. So 2X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 90 degree. So if X is 90 degree, that means we can say angle AOD is equal to angle COD is equal to AOD के just opposite कौन सा है? BOC, angle BOC, और BOC COD के just opposite कौन सा है? AOB is equal to 90 degree. Reason दे सकते हैं vertically opposite angle. So this is part third. ये कौन सा part है? Hence proved. Part third. क्या क्या किया हमने? सबसे पहले AC is equal to BD कर दिए यहाँ पे, फिर AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO कर दिए यहाँ पे, फिर AOB चारों एंगल्स को 90 डिग्री लाना है, ये यहाँ पे ले आए. तो इस तरह से हमने पूरे क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट किया. सो द मेथड इज जस्ट हेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. जस्ट गो थ्रू इट, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सबसे पहले हमने इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट किए, फिर इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट किया, फिर इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट किया. सो this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. In the next class, next video, we will start question number 5 and all. So thank you for watching.